Hello everyone, I'm Alan with Seegree. I want to introduce to you the Seegree speeder light bar grow light system. This is a 500 watt grow light system. Its true power consumption is about 460 watts. It consists of 8 light bars, which I will show you. Has the LM301B Samsung chips, which are specially designed for the grow light system. And it also consists of the red spectrum 660 nanometer red LEDs. As you can see, this is a very friendly plug-and-play system. As you can see here, the light consists of 8 bars, all right? Each one of those running into 2 mean well drivers, all right? And this is supported by a hanging kit inside of our grow light tent. We have it hanging about 4 feet or about 130 centimeters. And with this grow light system at this height, we're getting about a 6 foot by 6 foot square area of coverage. As you can see, it does very well, a very good job of covering all of the plants. Now, this tent is 5 feet by 5 feet, and you can see that it's definitely getting the penetration that you want from the top to the bottom. And as we test this, you can see that we're getting about 400 ppfd in the center of our coverage. And if we move to the outside corner, we'll notice that we're getting about 350 ppfd reading. All right. This is a very popular light for Seegree, and I believe it's going to make your plant growing experience much better.